Arushi Sharma, and I'm practicing as a dentist at King and Queen Dental Clinic, Delhi. So today I will be talking about scaling, cleaning and polishing. Scaling is a procedure in which there is removal of plaque, calculus, stains which are caused due to tea, coffee, etc. and tartar. So this is done with the help of ultrasonic scaler, and in this there is a tip that keeps on vibrating with a high speed, and also there is a water jet that keeps coming out with a high speed. When this is done, it might take one visit or two visits or more than that, depending on the severity of your case. This procedure is totally painless, and you might get little discomfort in this. Now, when this is done, there is a myth that it causes sensitivity, but if this happens, it subsides in a day or two. For that, even if it doesn't go, then you can use a toothpaste, anti-sensitivity toothpaste, or anti-sensitivity mouthwashes, which can be recommended by your dentist. And scaling is usually recommended in 6 months or a year. And when this is done, you will see that your gums will heal, and it will also prevent gum bleeding, and it will also make your gums firm. This procedure is very effective in the cases of periodontitis, that is when you have pyorrhea. And also there is a myth that in people I've heard that they say that it causes mobility of teeth, but that is not true. In fact, when you get the scaling done, your gums start healing and they become firm, and the teeth will become more stable, in fact. And this procedure, I get a lot of calls where patients ask me what are the charges. The charges for this procedure vary depending on the city that you are staying in, and it also depends on the kind of machinery that you are using, number of visits that are required, depending on the severity of the case, whether it is mild, moderate or severe. If you have like a kind of plaque, there is when the plaque deposits on your teeth surfaces for a long time, it stays on your teeth for a long time, then it hardens, and it is called calculus. And these kind of plaque and calculus cannot be removed with a brush at home, so it requires professional cleaning. So you should get it done by a dentist, and it cannot be removed with a brush. There are certain surfaces also which cannot be removed by a brush, so you should get the scaling done. After the scaling, there is a procedure called polishing, which is done. The polishing is done to make the surfaces smooth so that they become self-cleansing. The entire procedure, scaling and the polishing, is called oral prophylaxis as well. Now, when you get this done, the charges may vary. In my clinic, it starts from 600, and depending on your case, it might vary, and it may go up to 3,000 rupees, depending on the type of the case that you are, and also the city that you are residing in, the kind of machinery that you are using, and the number of visits which are required. Now, for the scaling, I would like to tell you that if you have any questions, then you can comment below, and for other details you can check the captions below. Thank you. Have a nice day.